Are you having trouble with your Google Meet connection? Here are some things that you can do to check it. Go down in the bottom right-hand corner and click your three dots, and you will get this expanded menu. Now, if you go to Settings, you can change your microphone and where it's drawing from. You can change your speakers and where it's coming from, and you can even go to your video and switch between your video feeds. The other thing that you can do in your menu here is go to Troubleshooting and Help, and you can see things like tips. You can look at your connection and your processor and how your network stability is, your system load, your CPU usage. This will help you determine if maybe you have too many tabs open or other processes running, or if maybe you just need to sit closer to a router, and hopefully it will help your connection issues somewhat. Here's another thing to consider if you are having trouble with your Google Meet connection, either your camera or your sound is not working correctly. Check in the upper right corner at the end of your address bar. Did you make sure that you allowed your camera and your microphone when you first went into your Meet? If you're not sure or you didn't, click on this little camera icon, and it should say continue allowing access to your camera and microphone. Make sure that this is not blocked. Make sure these are selected correctly, and then hit done. It does say this page may need to be reloaded before the new settings take effect. You can also click on Manage, and you can go in there and double check to see what you've allowed and what you've not allowed, and make sure that you're not actually mistakenly, inadvertently blocking a site that's keeping Google Meet from working.